My name is Toghrul Asadzade. I am a student of Group K920 of the Computer Engineering and Programming Department. I work as a system administrator. I already have 3 years of work experience in managing technical and functional operation, as well as maintaining assigned systems. I am currently working at smtp.com in the position of Operations Engineer. We are an email provider for the global market. In this job, my responsibilities include several things. First and foremost is adhering to the SLA agreement with the client, monitoring the entire infrastructure using technologies such as Zabbix and Grafana, interacting with other teams and setting up servers to send a large flow of emails for clients. I work on a Linux operating system with no graphical interface. In addition to the basic daily tasks, each our team member is given quarterly tasks 3 months. Essentially, we are solving one big complex problem called a project. In 2023 year, I completed a project to audit LXC containers. I also write a lot of documentation about our infrastructure, what varieties of alerts there are in the system, and ways to resolve them. In the future, I plan to delve even deeper into the DevOps philosophy and learn to work with the principles of infrastructure as code, work with complex systems, and be a great specialist. My bachelor's thesis will be related to virtualization and cloud providers.